In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profile backlink on Trello. This is a straightforward process that can help boost your SEO efforts through link building using Trello as your platform. Let's get started. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to trello.com. Once there, you should see the familiar Trello homepage. If you haven't already, click on the login option, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to the login page. Now it's time to log in. You can enter your credentials associated with your email, or for simplicity, opt to log in using your Google account. If you frequently use Trello, you might find the Google account option to be quite convenient, as it bypasses remembering another password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your Trello dashboard. This is your main hub where you can create or manage your boards, but for today's task we're focusing on your profile settings. Next, look to the upper right corner once more. You'll notice a small icon or your profile picture representing your account. Click on that. A drop-down menu should appear. From the options presented, click on Settings. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to find and select Profile and Visibility. This section deals with your public-facing profile on Trello. It's a goldmine for setting up your backlink because it's where you get to refine what others can see about you. Now comes the key part of the process, putting your bio together. In the bio section, you want to carefully craft a brief introduction about yourself or your business. Alongside some descriptive text, make sure to include the link to your website. This link is crucial as it will serve as the profile backlink. A tip here, ensure the URL is full and clickable, so double check for any typos or missing letters. After you've entered your bio and included your website link, don't forget the most essential step of all, saving your changes. Look for a save button, usually conveniently placed towards the bottom or side of the settings page. Clicking save will ensure that all your hard work doesn't get lost and your link becomes part of your Trello profile. And that's it! You've successfully created a profile backlink on Trello, which contributes to your SEO strategy through link building. Remember, every backlink counts and can improve your website's visibility over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your SEO journey. If you found this video useful, feel free to share or leave a comment below. See you in the next video.